Hey guys, it's Reggie here from the Cabby Channel 1, and today I'll be doing an unboxing / haul from guineapigzone.com. So, I'm recording this on my webcam because it's going to be a shorter video, and I don't have my video camera with me, and my phone doesn't give off the best either. So I thought I would do a video on my webcam for once. Yeah, and expect better videos because I'm supposed to be getting a very nice camera for Christmas, the Nikon P500, and it has HD video recording as well. So yeah, let's get started. So this is what the box looks like. It's about to my waist, and that's about half my height, and I am about 5'7" or 5'8". And then it's really tall too. So this is how tall it is standing up. I received this package last Thursday. I opened it after I got home from visiting my grandma in the hospital, but she's fine now. She's home. I'm actually at her house right now. I'm in my room. So yeah, let's get started. I already opened the package since everything was there. This is the 14-day guarantee. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing I ordered were 6 pieces of coroplast. This is because the other pieces are very expensive. The pieces are this big, but then they're scored in half, so it's really this big. About as wide as the thing can go, and about 4 feet tall. So yeah, I got a total of 6 sheets of those. So these are the 6 pieces of coroplast. That's all I got. And that's because this is green. So as I said, this was green, and it'll be a lot easier, and I still have extra. So yeah, these will be placed in the cage around. Most likely these will be put in next Monday, and if not, it'll be placed on Tuesday. And I'll do a video as soon as I get these in of an updated cage tour, because I should be changing one thing in his cage, which I think I told you guys in a previous video that the 1x1 will be turned into a 1x2, and I decided I might as well just do an updated cage tour. The next thing I got were connectors. I got 4 white connectors because they didn't sell the colored ones. So those were about 20 cents a piece. So 80 cents. I think it was a little more. I think it was 30. Not sure though. The coroplast is $4 a sheet, so it was $24 for the 6 sheets. The next thing I got was something I've been wanting for a long time. If you guys have known this, it's also for the CNC cage. So yeah, I'll show you guys that now. So the last thing I ordered were ramps. I've been wanting ramps from Guinea Pig Zone forever, it seems like, because their ramps are like the nicest ramps. The ramps from Guinea Pig Zone were $22 a piece, and that does seem like a lot to pay for it, but this was my Christmas present for my grandparents. So, I got 2 of those. Because if you guys have known this, I do have a 2x5 with a 2x2 type of area, overlapping a 1x2 short area, and a 1x4 play area, and I use 2 ramps. So, that's what these 2 are for. And I'll show you guys what they look like put together. So this is what they look like put together. They're pretty put together, it's just you bend them. Literally, it is reinforced. If you guys see that little shining piece right here, that's a little plastic tube that they stick it there to reinforce them. So you can put them up and down. Then it has this little piece right here that you can connect to the coroplast, so they can walk down it. And it has a gray carpet on the inside, just like that. So these, you don't use fleece or anything on them. And then right here is just binder edging. And they use 2 pieces of binder edging and then a piece at the bottom. So that's an overview of this. So now I'll show you guys an overview of all my products. So here's ordered up the 2 ramps, 6 pieces of coroplast, and 4 connectors. So I hope you guys enjoy, and please, friend me on Facebook, check out my website, the link to both of those will be in the description bar. Subscribe to me, please, leave a request below, or on my channel, because I really need some requests to do, over Christmas break, because Christmas break officially started today. So yeah, like my video if you guys are excited about Christmas break for everybody in school, or even parents, if you're watching this, like the video, because you guys get to spend a long time with your children. Yes. Ha. So yeah, and then, so yeah, please comment, rate, subscribe, request. Bye guys.